In this corner, weighing in at 9,842 acres with a maximum depth of 82 feet, we have Lake Mendota. And in this corner, weighing in at 20 acres with a maximum depth of 10 feet, we have a backwater slough of the Wisconsin River. It's one for the ages. Who will prevail, David or Goliath? Stay tuned for some fast fishing action on this week's episode of the GOD, Gant Outdoors.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, well, here we are. We're out on a backwater slough, a place we've never fished before, except for Eli was here last week and got a real nice fish. So he's going to try and put us on another one today. Got cousin David, Big Fish Bill, Esau's Eli, possible David Lundy. Beautiful sunrise. We got our tip-ups almost down. Let's see if we can get something. I think it's February 3rd. I guess. Nothing. Oh. Well, it's our first fish of the day, maybe coming in. He's a cute little scudder. It looks like a walleye spin. Oh, I think you got something maybe in there. Hey! Oh, look at that! Nice! Beauty, David. That is the way to start the day. Well, it's a fish. All right, well, this is David's tip-up is hot. Let's get more. Oh, I gotta get him back. Ooh, he's latching into him. Everybody's watching. Sometimes it takes Bill a while to get a fish out of the hole. Yeah. What do we got? Okay. Water is churning. Yeah. We'll take it. Oh, there's something there. You got it. It didn't have a whole lot of line out. The fish have been increasing. Yes! They're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. Each fish is getting bigger. Boy, oh boy, Eli's got us on a spot, huh, David?
Not too big.
Another bass. Smaller than the last one. You're trending in the wrong direction. Right now we have more tip-ups that are not in the water because we've caught fish so fast. We still don't have all our tip-ups even in the water yet. Boy, oh boy. Are you kidding me? Big fish, this is his day, folks. Oh, no. You're having quite a day, Big Fish. I know, I'm tired. I'm sweating. We need a good one. Looks like there might be something there. Walleye after walleye, but gosh, size is lacking.
Take it, BFB. Take it.
Ooh, I think he's got another big one. I think he's got another big one on the line. Bass.
eater. That's a Gant outdoors eater right there.
Where to catch it?
Get on it. He's got something.
Oh,
Man.
all of a sudden I was putting the line toward that lantern. I didn't want to do that. Well,
Take him.
there he is. Previous cast. There's probably nothing. Oh no, it's something there.
Got it?
Yeah, easy.
Oh God! He almost hooked himself.
Easy does it, Willie.
That poor fish almost landed on Mars.
Hey, John, does that fish remind you of any other one I've caught this year? Light wire leader, but it does have wire on it. Oh yeah. He doesn't. Where is he? Oh! 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 All that way for that? Why not? Eli's on the board. David is going to lay into this monster.
I need to laugh, and when the sun is out, I've got something I can laugh about.
A crappie! Oh my God! Look at that thing! That's like a 13-inch crop, a 12-inch crop.
On the cable.
And you were doubting the cable.
No kidding.
Look at that, lip that thing for us. Don't know how big. I don't know. It doesn't feel big. It's a gator. Son of a gun.
Fish on. Oh baby. Nice old largemouth. Good work.
I have a feeling there's something there. A big shiner. Oh well. Well, that's the same tip up that you just saw 1 second ago. Well, this is the third time in like 5 minutes that this tip up has gone up. Another bass. I think Eli, there you got like a pack of bass under this hole.
I think you have a little weight on there. Fish?
Yes, there is a fish.
All right. There he is.
Isn't he cute?
Same old same.
Yeah.
It was right there. It was right down.
These battles aren't very long. Lord of mercy. It's a long ways to run. Oh.
God damn it.
This has been my hot tip up. But so far today, I just sat here for 4 hours and done nothing. Is there something there? Yes, there is!
Oh! There's a river bass.
The ball stuck tip up comes through again. Holy cow, he had a lot of line out. Is this something that's decent that we've been waiting for? Oh, well, bigger than mine, David.
We'll keep trying.
We'll keep trying. Oh boy, I tell you what, we're just hoping for that one big fish, but It's just not coming, is it? Well, yeah, I'm not quite sure how much longer we're gonna hang out here, so if we end up getting something a little bit better than that, we'll let you know. Otherwise, this might be the end of today's less than thrilling episode. A lot of fish, just nothing very big. So we'll get this guy unhooked and back in the water, and we'll catch you later, whenever, wherever, out. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Up until now, this has been a hotly contested fight. Until now. And then Big Fish Bill landed a haymaker.
Oh no, he's big. He's pulling on me. Maybe. How big is he? Might have a big one on here.
Oh yeah. Oh my.
Oh my.
That might be.
Somebody should help him maybe. Bill Crewball, big fish, said this was going to be a good hole. Man, it's a good fight. Oh my gosh, can you get him? Can you get him? Can you get him? He got him. He got him. He got it.
That is so.
Good job, big fish. All right. That's a beauty. Finally. David, can you hold him up for the folks at home? Yeah.
That looks awfully familiar.
Wow. Look at that belly.
Yeah.
Look at that belly.
That's gotta be 35.
Holy cats. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. We need some pictures.
Did it break you off?
It's been a very good day. And this could be it. This could be our last flag of the day. Hopefully it's a fish. David, there's the noon whistle. I hear it. End it in style, Big D. End it in style. Oh, big old bucket mouth to end the day. Oh, and the shiner comes plopping out of his mouth.
Got dinner tonight.
Good job. Well, I guess I'm not sure if that'll be the last fish of the day, but if it is, thanks to Eli for putting us on a great spot. We're gonna have to do it again real soon.
Thanks,
David
Eli.
Lundy and Esox Eli finally meet in person. So who knows, if we don't see you again, we'll see you the next time on the G-O-D. David, you know what we needed, don't you? Should have brought the secret weapon.
You're right.
We should have brought the secret weapon. We needed her. Oh well.
Across Carolina, well, we stopped in Charlotte, bypassed Black Hill, we never was a minute late. We were 90 miles out of Atlanta, about sunup, cooling out of Georgia State. Won't somebody help me get out of Louisiana, help me get to Houston town, 'cause there's people there who care a little bit about me and they won't let them.
And the winner, by virtue of a BFB TKO, it's the Slough taking down the mighty Mendota.
No, no, no. Oh, we got one going, Eli. We got one going. Got one going.
Got him? Oh. Heavy? I don't know. I think it just broke off. Something happened. He didn't break. Oh.
Something huge.
Why didn't you set the hook on that thing? What was your problem? What was that little wimping thing you did?